Remember, get your parka, get ready to snuggle up. It's gonna be a long, cold winter. Today, we're gonna talk about 3 things you need to know about Johnson at Cornell. Hello, 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 my friends. My name is Charli Taylor. I am a senior coach at Career Protocol, and welcome to MBA Mondays. Now, I've got a particular love for Johnson in my heart because I had the great privilege of being an Adcommer there, and it was like super fun to be part of that really amazing community. And I am so excited to share with you today a little bit about that really fun school. Johnson features a very distinctive 2-year MBA program where you have an opportunity to really craft your own program in a way that suits your needs. And you can kind of create a program in some ways by your own design. There are 9 immersions that you can choose from, everything from like global sustainability programs to various finance programs, and there's even a customizable immersion. So you really can kind of create a program that is going to suit your future. And that kind of freedom is just absolutely fabulous. One of the things that I think is so wonderful about Johnson is the ability to take classes across the university campus. It is such an incredibly collaborative environment. And so the idea of being able to learn from one another and to be able to learn across the campus is really exciting. One of the big jokes has always been the ability for students to take like the wine tasting class, which like everyone thinks they're going to get an easy A on, but in fact, a lot of people flunk because I'm probably drinking too much wine. I don't know. But the point of the matter is you can take those classes in all sorts of different schools and you can really customize your education and you can collaborate at the same time. Super fun stuff. The other option that students have is this really innovative 1-year tech MBA program that's taught in the heart of New York City and also summertime on the Ithacan campus. I mean, really seriously, it is so beautiful in the summertime. You can't believe it. And this program really, truly offers tremendous innovation to students. Again, tons of collaboration. You're taught by like some of the cutting edge professors in the field as well as industry professionals. One of the unique features of this course is the studio curriculum, where students have an opportunity for experiential learning and they can get hands-on experience working with companies, advising, consulting, doing projects, and working with alums and industry professionals. So that's at the heart of the program, really interesting. Something very useful to know about these programs, both of them are STEM designated. So if you're an international student, depending on your subject area, that actually could be very useful for you in terms of postgraduate employment statistics. So something to bear in mind, really terrific opportunities there for international students. Finally, one of the most endearing features of Johnson is its sense of strong community. One of the questions that they asked this year, in fact, in the application is what you're willing to give to Johnson or what you're going to give back to Johnson. How will you lean into the community? And they're really serious about that. So there's a big emphasis on contributing to making the school a better place. And that's because the alumni network is so robust and so strong. In North America, you'll find alums everywhere. Internationally, the alum groups might be a little bit smaller, but they are ever so mighty. Wherever you rock up in the world, you're going to find someone from Johnson who is going to buy you a pint and you're going to have a fast and immediate friend. It's an amazing, amazing, loving, warm, nurturing, supportive alumni community. And if you are involved, you are very, very lucky. So my friends, if you want to be a part of a really, really cool community with a super innovative, customizable curriculum, because you want to be at the driver's seat of what you're learning and how you're directing your life, Johnson at Cornell very well may be the school for you. So remember, bundle up because it's cold in Ithaca and go big red. Blah, blah, blah. That's not the first thing that I want to say, Johnny. Okay. So I'm just warming up here because I'm like trying to whatever.